Hello and thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you're joining us back, thanks. It really means a lot. So this will be part 2 of the CRX series that I'm doing and the rebuild series on the engine. I took the head off, and if you watched the previous video, then you know that I stored it up for the winter. And when I got it down to the lower garage, there's a little hill, so I had to start it to back it up. When I did, the oil light came on and it started knocking really bad. So I think what happened was when I was testing things, I was advancing the advancing the camshaft. I wanted to see how far I could take that stage 4 cam, and it was running good at about 4 degrees advanced mechanical. I went to 5 degrees, it ran a little better, and I got greedy and I went to 6 degrees advanced mechanical, and you can see right where the intake valves kiss the top of the pistons there. So this is a ZC block with a Z6 head. So the compression is extremely high in this motor already. I think it's like 10 to 1 maybe with that head, or maybe high 9s to 1. Not sure, but the piston comes all the way up to the top of the deck. So it's definitely got high compression. I went over and I checked the head out. The head gasket was good. Everything was good as far as head gasket wise, and I don't really see any bent valves on the intake side. So I'm still going to strip the head down, probably take a look at everything and make sure everything's good. But the cause of failure was, I believe, when the valves had met the pistons, little chunks of metal had broken off, and I don't know what happened to it, or how metal got in the oil, because I don't see anything inside the oil stick when I pulled it up. I'm going to drop the oil out of the pan and double check it. But the rotating assembly rotates fine. It's smooth all the way up and down. The cylinder bores, I measured it with a dial caliper, and they all look about the same. So I'm going to, once I get the pistons out and look at things, we'll see what's up. But I think what happened was the metal somehow got into the oil system, destroyed the oil pump, or the oil pump went out on its own. Then it starved the engine of oil, and that's when I heard the rod knocking. So it was a combination of too much advance and the oil pump going out. I'm going to get everything else off here. Really simple to pull the head on these Hondas. I'm going to drop the exhaust here soon, get everything situated, and see if I can get this cranked down and get everything down, and then I'll separate the block, pull the block out, and we'll go into inspecting it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe.